Okay. Good afternoon, everybody. I don't know if you can see, but I wonder where Trevor's going to be today. We shall just have to find out. Hi, Trevor.
Hi, John.
What are you up to?
We're trying to raise a bit of money for Clare House. We're in the middle of Chester. It's a cracking place to come and visit if you ever get a chance to come up into the northwest of England. It's absolutely stunning buildings and what have you.
Yeah.
So, yeah, but we're here on trying to raise money for Clare House Hospice.
Yeah.
As usual. And as you can see, we've got plenty of people donating money to come and sit in the cars.
It was,
GT40s.
I know last year there was a substantial amount that you raised from Chester, wasn't it?
Yeah, we reckon we raised about 400 quid within a couple of hours.
Wow.
So yeah, it's pretty good. It's well worth us. It's well worth us doing. We're live at the moment. Or we're being recorded at the moment. We're live. People are just wanting to take photographs of what others.
I don't know why.
We got a very fat Santa.
I think you've got a few of them, haven't you?
We've got quite a few fat Santas, thank you. Yeah, but yeah, we've got our glamorous assistants here shaking the buckets.
Yeah.
Trying to get some money out of people. No, seriously.
I can see Jalopy in the background as well, all decked out with lights and tints.
Yeah, Jalopy's there. So Jalopy, and we got our elves, our helpers as well. So Santa's little helpers with the buckets and everything else. And AJ's pulling women. Where's AJ? Oh yeah, look, he's pulling women.
Nothing changes.
AJ, are you behaving yourself? No. You're not behaving yourself. Good lad. One of the things about this place is you have absolutely brilliant fun. The people are just so generous in and around Chester. It's just a fantastic place for us to come and raise some fun.
Yeah, it looks busy as well.
This is actually quite quiet as to what it was. I don't know, an hour ago. It's absolutely manic.
Really?
So, it seems to have spots of quietness, and this is fairly quiet, believe it or not, compared to what it was half an hour ago. But again, if we stayed here another half hour, we'd be raising even more money.
Yeah.
But lots of Santas.
Hello, everybody.
Isn't that scary? Oh, thank you, Lee. Thanks for that Christmas gesture. Merry Christmas.
I think he said he just put a £1 in the bucket.
He has, yes. You just put a £1 in. You just put a £1 in the bucket, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So to put your finger in.
Yeah. Just a £1 in a bucket.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, with the one finger. Yeah, nice.
Yeah. So we're just about to leave here now. We've been here a couple of hours.
Is that Craig Brake's car I saw there?
Yeah, I think yeah.
It's a nice car.
Yeah. It's not bad. Bloody noisy. I know that much. There's Craig telling everybody what it's about. I take it. I can't see the camera at the moment, so I take it that's all right.
That's perfect. Absolutely perfect.
Okay. Still rattling. So have you found the day? Have you found the day today?
Absolutely brilliant. Fantastic.
And I think it's all the better for Trevor Hall.
Oh, give over. I didn't come over here for that. Anyway, never mind. At that point, with embarrassment, I'm going to move on.
Yeah.
So yeah.
All the kit cars made it there then?
Yeah, they did. We've had about 3 that's gone home because they've not been able to get here because of other commitments. But the nice thing is, oh, Craig started up. Right, I think we'll start getting our act together and get up to Clare House now.
Yeah,
So that gives you an idea of what we do anyway. And as you can see, this place is absolutely stunning.
yeah.
If anybody ever gets a chance to get up to Chester, come and have a look at it. It's absolutely beautiful.
Perhaps do another live stream. Do another live stream from Clare House later on. It's a bit darker. We can see all the lights.
Yeah, yeah. We'll have a go. We'll have a go at that. But
Okay.
this is what happens. The kids love it. The adults love it, and we get a chance to actually raise money for Clare House Hospice. So
Brilliant. Yeah. And
there we go.
Going up to Clare House. Going up to Clare House and dropping the
We are,
buckets off, yeah. Okay.
We are, yes, yeah. And then we'll find out what's actually been. We'll find out what's in the buckets. Yeah, later on. Probably around about February time, we'll find out what's actually in the buckets. So yeah, here we are. That's it. Chester.
Okay.
Clare House Canterbury, Northwest Kit Car Owners Group.
Excellent.
If you want to be a part of it, just look for us on Facebook, and we'll gladly accept you if you've got a kit car.
Oh, brilliant. Okay.
So just one last walk out. You can see. There we go. Yay!
Yay. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Right, I'll sign off, and we'll catch you again once we get up to Clare House.
Yeah, have a good run up to Clare House. Hope you all make it, and we'll speak later. Cheers.
Will do. Cheers, John. Take care. Bye-bye.